everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to Excel. So remember that we are solving SIMnet assignment, and from today we will start Excel module 1, that is in week 1. So we just click on there. So in today's assignment, we will discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3 project. So before going to solve this assignment, first we move to our whole assignment. How many points we have in today's assignment? So in today's assignment in graded part we have 14 points. Okay. So before going to solve this assignment, let me show you the grade. Okay, let me start today's assignment. The name is Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. So in start we just download start file and these resources. Okay. After downloading, now we are moving to our instruction file guided project 1 to 3. In this project you create a workbook and copy a sheet into it from the View Enter Accessory Workbook. You enter product codes by creating a series, copy an existing formula, use the sum function and format the data. After adjusting the print option, you define a print area of specific product line. So all these SLOs will be covered in today's project. File needed this one and this one. Okay, and after completed, then our file name would be this one. Skill cover in today's project: create and save new workbook, change zoom size and unfreeze pane, copy sheet from one workbook to another one, rename and color the tab sheet, format labels and values, use fill handle to copy formula and fill the series, change alignment and the font size, merge cell, adjust column width and row height, set indent and apply head borders, use page layout view to insert footer and set print area. So all these skill will be to cover in today's project. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps to complete this project: mark the steps as checked when you complete. Okay, so in first part we have to open this one. Okay, this project that we have downloaded. So we just move to our download, and this one is our project. We double click on there, so that will be just getting opening. After it open, then we just click on enable editing to change project file name. Okay, so it is just getting opening. Simply click on enable editing. So we are unable to edit this sheet now. So first part is done. Now in second part, open workbook. This one download from resource link. If workbook open in protected view, click enable editing. Okay, now we have to open our supporting file. This one, double click there. Then click on enable editing. Then yes, both part is done. In first part we have to open this sheet X 2021 guided project 1 to 3 Excel. Then click on enable editing. Then in part 2 or second question we have to open workbook wherever dash 0.1, and we have opened that one, that supporting file, and click on enable editing. So both part is done. Now we are moving to third part, zoom out and unfreeze pane. So click zoom out button in status bar 5 times to return to 100% zoom. Okay, so we have to return to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then In next part, click the freeze pane button and choose unfreeze pane. Okay. You may see this line show that row 1 to 3 is freeze. Okay, you may see that is not movable. So now we have to unfreeze that one. So for that we have to click on view. There is freeze pane and click on unfreeze. Now this line removed. So it means now we can move. Okay. In part C, click the switch window button. And there is this one. Okay, so from there confirm that this one and your name are both open. Display. Okay, we have to open. Yes, both are open. Now we have to click on this one. So this part is done, this part is done. Now display this one. Yes, we have done. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3 there are 5 part and we have done all 5 part. In first part, click the zoom out button in status bar 5 times to return 100% zoom. Yes, we have done and we get this result. Okay, it is 100%. Then in next part we have to click freeze pane button and choose unfreeze pane. Then in part C, click switch window button. In part D, confirm the where our 01 and this one are both open, then display this one. So question number 3 is done. After solving question 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. Copy a worksheet to another work. So right click the sheet 1 tab, this one, and choose move or copy. So right click there, move or copy, then click to book drop down and this one. Okay, now we just click to book this one, then create a copy, then OK. This is done, this is done. Click switch window button and choose this one. Close workbook without saving. Verify you are on this one. Okay, now we have to close this one and we have to verify that we are on there. So part question number 4 is done. In question number 4 we have to copy worksheet to another workbook. So for that we have to right click on the sheet 1 tab in where our 01 and choose move or copy. Then we follow all these steps and we just move our sheet to another sheet, and we have done and we get this one. Okay, so question number 4 is done. Now we are moving to our question number 5. Remember that how many questions we have in graded part. In graded part we have 14 questions and we are on question number 5. Rename and delete sheet. Double click the sheet 1 tab, type this one and press enter. Okay, so we have to rename the sheet. Control C, we just copy this name from here, then double click on this one and paste that one that we have already copied. So this part and this part is done. Now we are moving toward part C. Or right click the sheet 1 tab and choose delete. Now we just right click on this sheet, this tab, then simply click delete, so this sheet will be permanently deleted. So part C is done. Question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to rename and delete the sheet. So in first part we just double click the sheet 1 tab, then type inventory as and press enter, then right click the sheet 1 tab and choose delete. So question number 5 is done. After solving question 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. So in question number 6, fill label series and delete column. Okay, so in first part click cell A4. First we have to move toward A4, then type this one and press enter. So we just copy this one from here, then here paste and press enter. Then select A4 and double click to fill handle. Here we have to double click, okay, so that will automatically fill. Then in part D we have to right click column J heading and choose delete. Where is column J heading? This one. Okay. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, fill a label series and delete a column. So in first part we just move towards cell A4 and there we type view 001, then press enter, then select A4 and double click there, it's fill handle. Then in part D we just right click the column J heading and choose delete and delete that column heading. So question number 6 is done. After solving question 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. So use fill handle to copy formulas. Click cell E4. Where is E4? This one. So double click on there, so formula will be automatically filled. You may see, yes. Then in part B, double click the fill pointer H4, the formula copied to column and press enter. Yes, that is already done. So question number 7 is done. In question number 7, we just drag this formula toward this row and we get this one. So question number 7 is done. Same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So in today's video we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. So in today's video, in start we just download our file, start file and resources. After that then we move to our solution instruction file, and in start we just read this all SLOs that we will cover, then skill covered in today project, then we move to our instruction and solve question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have done first 7 questions. In graded part we have 14 questions. Out of 14 we have done first 7 questions. Mean 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise that your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, SIMbook project, textbook project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way, you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one and get 100% marks. Remember that in today's video we discussed Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3 project. It's guided project 1 to 3. We have done almost 50% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Remember that here is also my WhatsApp number and my email ID. If you need any help regarding your academic or for this assignment, so for that you have to contact me. I am available, I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee, that's my promise. So we will meet soon with our next assignment. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future.